Let's see who's here. Folks, I don't know about you, but how many of you have a pilot's license or a pilot certificate? This is what happens when you break a nose. We're seeing your air boss narration.
Go ahead, narration.
Are you guys watching this airplane?
Which one?
It's yellow and it's one in the box.
Oh, that? Yes. I thought he belonged to you. He doesn't belong to me. On the other side. Hurry up, Matt.
Who is this? I'm trying to find you on the other radio channel. Who is this?
Folsom.
You got out from Folsom.
Yeah, Folsom is on payroll.
Tell me your name again. I couldn't hear your name at the beginning.
Chuck Dramamine.
Chuck Dramamine? What are you doing there? There's an air show going on.
I'm out here showing off my airplane.
Oh, no. You said you built it somewhere? Where'd you build this thing?
In the workshop at prison.
I never seen anything like it.
Oh, it's a pretty nice plane. I'm trying to sell it.
Well, listen, I'm going to need you to land if you don't mind, because we got an air show going on here. We don't have time for this.
They read the book on how to build it, but to fly it, I don't know. Wait a minute, I got a problem.
Once again, things that could have been brought to my attention. Yes!
I got trouble with my brake pedal and my gas pedal.
No, that's the rudder pedals there, Chuck.
You don't have to tell me I got a book. I'm reading it right now. Wait a minute here. Oh, my God. It says right here, page 3. You're right, page 3 says rudder pedals. But I don't need your help. I got the book.
Well, you're just in time for what might be a very interesting interview.
Pull up, Chuck.
Oh, I think I just did.
I shouldn't have had seconds.
My book.
What do you mean you lost your book?
I need your help after all.
Well, all right. You're doing a pretty good job. Just kind of relax a little bit, though. But pull up first.
Relax is an easy thing for you. A little rough for me, dude.
Well, put the nose down there. Push that stick forward. There you go.
Okay, I found it.
Uh-oh. What's he doing this time? Not much, though. That's better.
That's so good for me, they don't feel that good. Now, okay, I know about the sticky thing, but what's this deal? Why is the wing down there? What's that called? Banking?
That's banking, that's right.
That's why I went to Folsom.
Yeah, well, don't do too much of it. It'll get you back.
Well, I'm doing. I'm trying to find the runway. I'm right about that, but I can't see it. All I see is a bunch of snow fence.
I don't know. The runway's that big thing over there on the right. Big, long road. Land there.
Do this, do that. Probably easy for you to see because you haven't told me much what to do. I'll give it a whirl.
Is that it?
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, right there. That's the runway. Just pull the power back and the thing will land.
This thing will land.
It'll land by itself.
Myself.
Yes.
Why am I even here?
Exactly. That's what I'm wondering. There you go. Perfect. Oh, no. You got to hit the wing.
That was a wing deer.
Yes, it was. Oh, goodness. Now, just try and land again. You got it right there. You can just put it down and land it. Just plant it right there. Yeah, there you go.
Uh-oh. I lost a tire.
You did? Uh-oh. Now what?
Got a wheel problem.
Yeah, you do.
Can't talk right now.
What are you doing?
Can't talk.
Why? We got to get this thing down. We got an air show going.
Busy.
What could you possibly be doing?
Paperwork.
What kind of paperwork?
Very important paperwork.
Sounds like it.
All right, this is where the toilet paper comes out and I cut it and then I'm done.
Well, don't spoil the surprise.
Hey, what?
Can we let him in on the secret?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, this is World Nuisance Airshow pilot Kent Pietsch. Isn't it?
It is. Here's you, buddy.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Oh, he's good.
I'm going to go back to the air boss now, and I'm going to do a little aerobatics to fill time because Patty didn't fly.
Well, okay. You want to talk to us? We're all listening to you.
You did a great job, thanks.
Well, have fun.
Okay.
Kent Pietsch, who has been doing that act for just years and years and years, and he's just fun to be with. So tomorrow, listening here.
Just tell me when to land. I'll land at 35. That's my time.
Sir, you take your time and do what you need to do.
I'm going to time for a little bit. Okay, thank you.
And remember, the pattern is not full.
Executive.
So, can I tell the Kent Pietsch story? You want to hear the Kent Pietsch story, don't you? I thought you did. This is no kidding. This is what happened. Kent's coming over to the Andrews Airshow. So, anyway, now that you've heard his voice, Kent's coming in to the Andrews Airshow in that airplane a few years back. My good friend Cookie calls me in a panic. What's Kent's phone number? What? I need his phone number right now. Right now. Well, here it is, Cookie. Here's his phone number. So, a few seconds later, I'm looking out my window there in Crystal City, and I see that airplane, that little yellow airplane that Kent is climbing in. It's just like slower than molasses. Going down the Beltway, like right there by the Capitol, and I'm like, uh-oh. I know what that is. Ken, you know, he's from up there, Minot, North Dakota. Doesn't get bothered by anything, including federally protected airspace around the Capitol.
Yeah, it's nothing a lawsuit won't cure.
That's right. So anyway, he tried to call, gave it his honest effort. Look at it, spinning down back to Earth. Gave it an honest effort on that radio, but the radio that's inside this airplane, which by the way is historic in its own right, that radio is powered by a couple of AA batteries, because that airplane that you see right there has no electrical system in it whatsoever. None. So Kent was almost shot down by the F-16s here at Andrews because they were on the runway ready to scramble. Cookie texted to Kent in the airplane. They were able to identify it because he had a maneuver, and they were like, oh, okay, well that maybe is Mr. Pietsch. So, anyway, he narrowly missed being shot down by the F-16s. When he gets here, I'm like, Kent, you can't do that. He goes, oh, what's that? What's the problem with that? I'm like, Kent, they were going to shoot you down. You know what he said? No joke. Kent Pietsch, and I quote here, said, oh, they never caught me. They couldn't catch me. I just go down like that. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. Not worried about it. Never would have found me. Look how he's flying. You'll see what I'm talking about. They wouldn't have found him, I don't think. Kent Pietsch, the Interstate Cadet. Coincidentally, this airplane that you see right before you, as I said, is very historic. Cornelia Fort. Cornelia Fort was a lady flight instructor. She had a job that anybody would have loved to have had. Hawaii, 1941. Cornelia Fort's out flying that airplane. Just like the Interstate Cadet, the one that Kent Pietsch is in right now. And guess what happens? She's out with her student Sunday morning, early December. Nice day to be flying along the beach, and all of a sudden, these Japanese Zero fighter planes come zooming by her. She's like, I didn't sign up for this. I'm just out on a flight lesson, you know. And lo and behold, that indeed was the start of that fateful morning, December 17, 1941. The Japanese suddenly attacked Pearl Harbor. The entire Pacific Fleet decimated. Cornelia Fort, she was the first person to see that attack. Kent Pietsch, his brother, actually found the very airplane that Cornelia Fort was flying that day. They restored it, and they have kept that airplane going. It's now out in the Pacific Northwest where there's a museum. And is regularly flown in a reenactment of the attack at Pearl Harbor. Kent Pietsch, though, great guy. A great airplane, the Interstate Cadet. Just gotta love that, man. Look at him now, he's going around the tower with bombs. You see him back there? Their boss, there he is. Did you see that?
Yes, we did. There's somebody up there with me now. They all jumped overboard.
I thought we saw some people bail out. Looks good, though. Whoa, wow. Good job there. Kent Pietsch, the Interstate Cadet. Sponsored in part by Jelly Belly. Just love Kent. Premier Airshow performer, that guy right there. He's giving him a workout. I don't know about you. So Kent Pietsch, he's a legend in our industry. He hates us to say that, but he really is a legend in our industry.
And I just feel that one of us style.
Thank you, Stu. Look at that. Who are these people showing up? They think they own the place. Oh, wait a minute. They might. It's the Blue Angels showing up here. How did we decide who flies first? Did we figure that out, Jay? We flip a coin, Thunderbirds, Blue Angels. Who's going to fly first? I don't know. Let's see. Well, it looks like today, Blue Angels will fly first. Then your United States Thunderbirds will fly. I keep looking up there and I'm like, you know, Seth, the Blues and the T-Birds right there together. That's a sight to behold. Never happens. Oh, look at this. Here comes Kent. He's just around the Blues. That's sponsored by Jelly Belly. That's coming from Fairfield, California.